Okay. They were on a bike ride. You know. Part 2. You know, sorry for cussing last time. I wouldn't do it again, but it was a squirrel. It was a squirrel. Man, I really wish I had a GoPro. I could show y'all right now. I don't know if you saw it on the camera or not, but you know, I need to invest in me a new inside a GoPro. Like my aunt said, I need to give me a GoPro. So I don't know if y'all can hear me now, but like I said, there was a squirrel that I need to give me a GoPro stuff. Hope y'all having a good day. There's a dog over there. Hey, doggy. It's a pretty cute dog. Right here's the place where I haven't been through in like 3 years. Last video I said I'm gonna take you. It's right here. There's always these 2 dogs over here, like barking at me stuff. You know, but yeah, I'll pet them now and then. I'll feed them sometimes. Sorry if y'all can hear me here. I'm breathing or so. The ditch right there. Couldn't get inside it and I ripped my tires off. Y'all ever been inside a ditch before? No, it's like the song I posted. I hope your new boyfriend is the B word. He'll be falling over his ankles and fall into a ditch. You know? Yeah. I think I might quit my rapping career right now and just turn into a vlogger on my life. I think I can do that, you know? Vlogging my life. Get like a little Bluetooth microphone. Put this on my helmet. Yeah. Right now I'm recording this shit on my bike. And my phone's connected to it. Yeah. Eisenhower. You always gotta stop. When you see stop signs, you always make sure to stop. Always stop at stop signs. But yeah. I need to give me a GoPro so y'all can see what I'm seeing up here. You know? I'll be like that there wolf guy on YouTube. The wolf pack or something like that. Yeah, I'm subscribed to him, so y'all go subscribe to him. I'll leave a description link below. Y'all for you to go subscribe to him or something. Try driving the road or not. Nah, come on. People be getting mad at me for like driving on the sidewalk. But then when I start driving on like the road, everybody else be getting mad at me. Especially when I'm over here. Like, what you want me to do? Get a car or something? I don't know. Like we're gonna bad. Microphone's in my mouth now. Sorry if y'all can hear me breathing or something like that. I don't mean to. Because I need to get my GoPro. You know, it is video gets 5 likes. I'll get a go. Video gets 5 likes. I'll go after this. Ah, fuck it. Whoa, that shit cool. But yeah, you started a journey, trying something out differently. Like I became a rapper in 7th grade. I'm in 10th grade right now, so I'm just gonna start vlogging. Got me a leaf here. Throw it away. It's apparently 2:17 right now. I'll tell you what time I get back home. And I was thinking about doing a series. Like, I don't know why I'm talking like a YouTuber right now, but I was thinking about doing a series, like a new, like the first time I started this shit, I was like thinking of doing series. Oh, the bugs are dead. But I was thinking about doing a series where I was on my electric scooter. It goes up to like 40 miles per hour. But then it's like, I'll show y'all if I can. Madison Thurman. Shit, I'm on smash. But yeah, I was thinking about becoming a YouTuber. My aunt said, become a YouTuber, vlog my life, get more daily views and stuff. What I'm trying to do, you know. So I think I might just start YouTubing as like a cyclist, and I get a motorcycle. Actually, I might get a car first, and then wear my helmet while I'm like inside the car. But I don't know yet. And then switch to a motorcycle when I feel comfortable. But you know, it is what it is, I guess. That girl kind of bad though, not gonna lie. She look kind of mean though, but you know, I'll make sure you stop. Please stop. Then you can go. I'll show y'all when I get up here. Real quick. Cause like, it's somewhere along over here. Whoa. Right there's one. Here's another one right there. This is the bad part about this. Is sidewalk's not really placed to sit down. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but you know, the sidewalk's not really placed down and stuff, so it's kind of hard to drive it on. I don't know, but because like when you drive, it goes boom, and flip you over. I was also thinking about doing a skateboard thing. I rode my skateboard and stuff, but there's like all the rocks over here. I'm gonna trip my tire and stuff. I was gonna get tripped and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I think I might just become a motorcycle YouTuber instead of just planning my trips, bringing it along. You already know. I get sick of wearing this helmet though sometimes. Cause it's like compression on my head. It's only from my dirt bike, but I was thinking about getting my dirt bike, vlog on there again. You know, actual vlog. But this isn't my first time, so hopefully y'all like it up and stuff. So, yeah. Whoa, that was a big one, I think. There's another big one right here. Surprised I even made it. The road stops at, so I cut through here. So, hope someone's saying something. I should be a good person and pick it up for them. Should I? I don't know. I think I should. Maybe next time I come around. It was like a nice car thing. But yeah, this is the type of car I wanted to get right here. The Soul, Kia Soul. But yeah. I want to take the summit off real quick. So I give me a drink. You know what I like to do? I like to take my arms off the wheel for a second, stand up, just let my body glide on the bike. Yeah. No pedaling or nothing. Just head to the bike game. But even living is disrespect. You know? I'm trying to be like this one day. Then when acknowledge my stuff, I want to acknowledge them. They're going over to the Edinburgh Diner. I told my mom I was gonna take her over there one day when I get the money. You know, like working 3 jobs already. Work at Columbus Auto Group. I work at a what's it called? It's like a for old people type stuff. And look at this house that burned down. It's crazy. We don't know how to start it, but something happened. But yeah. Isabel Richardson. Wood smash. But yeah. You already know what it is. I don't even know if y'all can hear me like that, but it is what it is. Let me take this bit off real quick. Never mind, leave it on. Can't take it off while I'm riding. Against the rules. But yeah, y'all already know what it is. Little riders out here riding a bike. I see it. Let me come up with a freestyle real quick, y'all. I haven't posted in a minute, so like this could be on my trip. I bet. Alright, so I'm riding my bike. I ain't wanting to hike. It's okay. I want my rapping career to be as cool as a height. 6'4" is my height. I'm higher than a kite. I don't know why, but I use my left hand to fight. It's okay. I trust on my left, but I'm doing my right. Switch it up for the change. I might. Hold up. What the fuck? What the flippity flick sticks? What are you yapping about? Alright, there you go, your freestyle for the day. Every time I ride my bike and stuff, I'll make sure to freestyle for y'all. It's been a while since I freestyled. I hope y'all know that. Lil Virus is better than Lil Kodak. You already know that. Hey, I'm riding my bike, cruising in the road. You already know. People telling me to stay off their sidewalk. That's what I've been told. But you know I don't listen. Ain't none of the business. But it's okay. They hope that I come back again another day. Right on the sidewalk. Look at this Hellcat Scat Dodge Charger. You already know what it is. I'm getting sued for doing for nothing for the biz. Stand up on my bike. I do it like I'm fine, like I'm Mike. All of the time. Switch different colors. Shit, I just might. You already know. That's what I've been told. I fly higher than a kite. Switch over to my left. I might. There you go. There's your freestyle of the day. People say it's like pretty cool that I get to like freestyle while doing stuff like at a time. But you know, it's just a talent. You know. My brother's like, dang, Johnny, it's really gonna be a waste of talent if you just let it stay there like that and you don't like use it or nothing. You know, someone else could have just took serious I've been trying to take it serious, but I've been busy all the time. Stuff. I just can't rhyme. Until I made a 9. Started taking it serious, but that time. See, I can like make up anything. Like, there's a house. I ain't married yet, so I don't got a spouse. It's okay. A rough house every day. I'm with my cousin. There ain't no fussing. He's just my cousin. It's okay. You know that he's gay. Do it all day long. You know, I sing a song. Hold up. No, that's wrong. See? It's easy. I see a car. Then driving really far. 6 miles ahead. I can't wait to get off and I go lay in my bed. Edit these videos. Yo, it's okay. It's okay. See, let me take off this helmet real quick, actually. Because, let me just keep it on so I don't get made fun of for having this here microphone out. But, you know, this girl that lives inside lot 36, oh my gosh, she's bad. She's like a MILF, but a lot better though. Yeah, I can't wait for my cousin to listen to my podcast. You know? We got like 3 more minutes on here. I'm gonna have to end it then. Switch over to a new video. Alright, hold on. Let me just come over here to the mailbox. Then I end it. Then I'll make it look like I'll just take out my helmet to make it look like I did something. Cause this helmet do making me look goofy though. I've been trying to skate that for like 5 years since I lived here. I'm kind of lightheaded. Oh god. Gotta take this helmet off as quick as I can. Damn. It's only like 3 p.m. Taking the helmet off real quick. Oh. Helmet is off. But like, right here, I got some iced prime lemonade with Kool-Aid in it. It's like Sunny D. That shit is good. ASMR. Excuse me. I was honestly thinking about doing some ASMR stuff too. There's a dog. But yeah, I was honestly thinking about doing some ASMR. You know, when people be like, oh, you're copying kind of people and stuff, but haters gonna hate, you know, right? That's right. So, how's y'all day been going? Good, bad, sad, mad? It's okay. I might hop on GTA later with my friends. Oh yeah, I need to end the video.